Welcome to PHPScriptsOnline.com, a premium marketplace for buying and selling PHP scripts. We are the best platform for developers and businesses looking to buy or sell PHP scripts with ease. We are a professional PHP development company and marketplace. We create ready-made PHP scripts under your brand, helping small businesses and startups scale faster. If you are a developer with high-quality PHP software, scripts, plugins, templates, mobile app code, AI tools, or SaaS products, PHP Scripts Online is the perfect place to sell your work for free. We also offer over 200 plus free PHP projects with complete source code and MySQL database files. These projects are ideal for students, developers, and startups seeking real-world PHP applications. Built using Core PHP, Laravel, CodeIgniter, AJAX, JavaScript, and MySQL, these scripts help you learn full-stack PHP development and quickly launch functional applications. In today's fast-paced world, saving time and effort is essential. That's why we provide ready-to-use projects, tutorials, and interview Q&A so you don't have to start from scratch. Our PHP project list is extensive, and we keep adding free projects for both students and professionals. You might wonder, how can these free projects help you? Here are a few reasons. Institutes or small business owners can avoid paying thousands to build a small website. Students can download projects with reports for college or university training assessments. Experienced PHP developers can reuse projects similar to what they are working on, saving time and effort. Source code is fully available, so you can reuse components or functions as needed. Beginners can also benefit, as many projects are designed for learning purposes. Why waste time reinventing the wheel? Download PHP projects for free and customize them to your needs. Change code, forms, colors, titles, or functions easily. PHP is an open-source scripting language, making customization simple. We also offer CodeIgniter PHP projects in addition to Core PHP projects, so you can stay updated with the latest features and trends. At PHPScriptsOnline.com, we make PHP development easy, accessible, and free. Start exploring today. To download free PHP projects, visit PHPScriptsOnline.com. Click on Project Finder, then select Free PHP Projects from the left side PHP Scripts category. Next, open each project and click the Download button to get the complete project with full source code, along with detailed installation instructions. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or contact us through the website's contact page at phpscriptsonline.com.